Now we go to the last subroutine for getting the ASCII string. That means we have to design a subroutine for getting the ASCII string. That means the string of character from ASCII code, from the value, from the number. And you have some limitation for the subroutine. We need to design a subroutine for converting two column binary value to 3-digit decimal number. And over here, you have to enter a decimal number with only 3 digits. Okay, not more or not less. Now when we write the subroutine, we don't do the technique for looking up table no and why, but we use the subtraction. We subtract 100 repeatedly from number, okay, because you will see why don't we use. And in the subroutine, we use ASCII box as a start, but you don't see it because I would like to ask you the size for the ASCII box over here. How many locations? Okay, because over here the value in A0 is between minus 999 to plus 999. And when you write the string of character to ASCII box, you need to write the side too over here. Now, for example, minus over here plus. Okay, so you need to write the plus side or minus side, negative side over here. Their ASCII value to B and to D. And you need to declare some value 30ness, that's code of 0. Okay, minus 100 FF 9C, negative 100, positive 100, negative 10. Okay, with the ASCII binary. But over here with the ASCII box, so how many locations when you want to declare? How many plus? How many? Yeah, okay, 5. Okay, 5. Okay, and these are the name of the subroutine. So firstly, when we go to the subroutine, so we need to get ASCII box the address. Okay, you need to load it to R1 because you want to use R1 as pointer, like a stack point to point to ASCII box. Over here now we use the additions over here to assign to A0. A0 now is storing the value you want to convert, but now you add to get the sign. Okay, because after this operation, so if it's negative, so we come here to write, come here. Now when you come here, that means that you need to write minus sign. Okay, so over here we get the ASCII value for minus sign. Okay, and we write it to ASCII box. And then because the value in A0 is negative, so we have to convert it to positive. So we do the two column operations with not and add with 1 over here. But when we don't go to negative side, so we have a positive side. So okay, over here now we start positive side to ASCII box. Okay, we have to write plus sign to ASCII box with this, and then we go to this. We begin with 100 digits. So over here now, firstly we assign ASCII object. Okay, do you remember ASCII offset? Okay, this is the ASCII code of 0 digit. Because you have to be paired. Okay, and over here we need to get negative 100. Okay, we load it to R3. Okay, now you know class. When we come here, so what do you see? What do you see? Because over here now we have the technique for getting 100 digits. Okay, and over here now when we are R3. Okay, for example, you want to get the digit 2 from 247. Okay, pay attention. Now I'm saying 247. So over here now, once you get the end, okay, that means now minus 100. And then over here now, 247 minus 100, so we have 147. Okay, if it's negative. Okay, no, not yet. Okay, so if it's yes, so we go to N100. But no. Okay, so over here, you come here to increase R2 to say, yeah, okay, now you have the first 100. Okay, and then you go back to 1100 to do this again. So we have 147 minus 100, so we have 47. Okay, so it isn't negative, so we don't go to N100. And over here, you have okay, after this addition, so you have 47. So over here now, you have the second. You have the second action for this. Okay, and over here now we increase the value in R2 to have 2. That means 200. Okay, and we go back to 100, and over here we do this again. So you have 47 and minus 100. So after this, so we have minus 100 plus 47. So it's a negative. Okay, it's negative. So we come here. You have 2. Okay, you have to start now. Over here now. So what did you have class? Now R1. Do you remember R1? Do you remember R1? Yeah. Okay, ASCII buffer. Okay. Now over here you have to store. Over here you have to store R2. Do you remember R2? So how many? Okay, you have 2. Okay, you have to store 2 ASCII buffer. So we say you have the ASCII 100 digits. Okay. And now over here the negative 100. Okay, because you have the minus 100 plus 47. Okay, so we have to get the addition to get the value 47. Okay, and then we go to this. When we come here, when we come here, so what do you do with this ASCII offset class? Now, what do you do with this class? Of course, pay attention to this, and we have the same problem with this. Okay, but for 10 digits. Okay, really the same. You have to be fair. Okay, you understand? This and that. With this, you have to do the action for ASCII 100 digits. Okay. The same. Over here, the same.